First one of the day, this gorgeous KTM 1290 Super Adventure. This is a returning client. He has a few bikes that we take care of. This one's just come back from a trip around Norway, I believe he said. So it's time to give it a bit of trot TLC. More than anything, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. It's got a bit of rust turning up here and there, so we'll get all that cleaned off, and then we'll get some corrosion protection. Chain is looking very dry. We'll get that all lubed up. Look at the sprocket. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us with this. We'll get it all minted up. One of our top full Monty valets. Get some XCP corrosion protection on it. Get it looking like it should. See if we can clean up that exhaust in there. All the usual bits and pieces. Give us a couple hours. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This KTM Super Adventure 1290 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full Monty valets. Everything's pretty much included in that except the ceramics. So we've done a Snowfoam safe wash, degreased, relubed, all that chain back up. All the wheels have been meticulously cleaned, all up underneath. All your exhaust there has all had all the burnt on tar. We mirror polished it afterwards. All the engine's been dusted with XCP. All the exhaust pipes down here have all been polished, including the front header pipe there, all polished up. I just did a run, so it's turned nice and golden. All the plastics have been dressed. Extra XCP on all your switch gears, all these nuts and bolts we brushed a little extra on, including your banjo bolts. Yeah, all ready to go, done in 2 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. We're open 7 days a week, satisfaction guaranteed. 07966 249 963.